is definitely in the air. It's already Tuesday. A little nicer day out today though. I think it's about 18 degrees. It's supposed to be during the afternoon. I'm just working from home today and slowly getting my fall decorations, the fall decor out. Little bits and bobbles here and there. I will definitely do a little fall tour on the blog. But in the meantime, it's a little taste. Yeah, I just love changing up my decor and switching things up. Even things that are a little bit more fall inspired. Like this really cool wine carafe, and then I put my cork next to them, and a lovely candle. It smells like ginger. And a cute little pumpkin that I got from Goodwill. And then this is one of my favorites, my table runner. This is actually curtains that I got at the Goodwill outlet. Obviously little short curtains. I just tucked it underneath the loops, and I thought it worked really cool for a table runner. The beautiful country kitchen plaid. And then, yeah, I just love the colors of fall. They didn't really fit on my windows because they're actually too short for these windows, and I just love using them this way instead. And then got some real squash here, and then some decorative little pears. So pretty driving down the street. Oh, look at all the pretty fall colors. Oh, I love it. Just sitting here. It is Wednesday, September 27th. It's already 9 o'clock. Didn't really film today. I was just at home working on stuff. But I am now at my friend's house. I am dog sitting their dog for a couple days, who is actually outside, so I'll get her to say hi to the vlog when she comes back in. But I'm just sitting here enjoying just a little bit of a snack, trying out this delicious lychee sparkling soda from President's Choice, which is the Superstore or like Loblaws brand. It's really yummy and refreshing and light. And I'm finally going to dip into these magazines that I bought a month ago. They're the September fall fashion ones. I got Chatelaine, People Style, and of course In Style, this is their big fall fashion one. I don't buy too many magazines throughout the year, but this is the time where I gotta buy them. Plus, at Walmart you can get them 3 for $10, which is a pretty good deal. That's Selena Gomez looking gorgeous. Yeah, so that's the plan for the rest of the evening. Hanging out here and reading my magazines. There she is. Haley, you want to come lay down? Come here. Come lay down. Good girl. Good girl. Just lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No, we're not playing. Just laying down. Lay down, girl. Lay down. Lay down. You can lay down beside me, but you must lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Okay, I can see your eyes. No, I don't want your kisses. Lay down. I don't, excuse me. Just lay down. No, I don't want you to kiss me, you dork. Lay down, please. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Stay there. Hi, girl. Morning. Good morning. This thing is kind of weird. Sorry. There we go. Should we go tango potty? Come on. There you go. Go potty. Yes, hello. Hello. I know, hello. Good girl. Okay, go potty. Go potty. Haley. Go potty. Haley. Go potty. Go. Come on. Go. Go potty. Good girl. Go. Go potty. Yummy. So while I'm here, I noticed that the pantry was looking a little messy, so I am going to organize this pantry for my friend. So I'm just going to show you a before, and then I'll just do an after because I don't have that much memory space available on this card. So I'll just do a before and after. So it'll be just like, and there it is. Hopefully a little more organized for them. Hopefully everything's where they like it. Otherwise, obviously, they can move some things around, but my friend is pregnant, and so I thought a nice organized pantry would be a little bit of a help. Now I am going to head to my office for a bit. Probably until the evening. It's already 3 o'clock. And I'm going to be there until after our meeting at, I'll be at the office till 8:30, and then come back here and stay over one more night, and then my friends are back tomorrow. So it looks like a beautiful day. I love my friend's front porch here with the little chairs. But oh my gosh, look at all those leaves. Actually, beautiful. It's hot out. at this tree. It is turning to fall, although it's quite warm out right now. But yeah, definitely fall is happening. Look at all those trees changing color. Love it. Although it is quite warm out. I was not expecting it to be this warm, and I wore pants. Anyway, I gotta pack my stuff and head out. Ooh, I love this. Look at this pretty wreath. Beautiful. Saturday morning already. Just making a coffee before I head to the office. Luna. Luna Bean. You're crazy. You're crazy. How big you're getting. Huh? Look how big you're getting. Boo. Boo. What you doing? Ah! What you doing? You're so crazy. So crazy when you're crazy. And you're so cuddly when you're cuddly. Hmm? Oh, ow! Excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Attacking my hand. What are you doing? Oh! Someone needs their nails cut again. You're crazy. Right, Anastasia? Is she crazy? Anastasia? Is she crazy? She's crazy. She's crazy, isn't she? She is. Isn't she? Very quickly because I've got to run out the door. It is Sunday morning, little OOTD. Got this really cute chunky sweater. It's going to be a little chilly out today and rainy. Super happy that I can finally bring out some of my sweaters and more fall layers. My jeans that I got from Goodwill. I got these cute little booties on with some little like nylon mesh sock. These are little kind of boots. They've got an open heel at the back. And then I just got this new bag. It's actually from a friend of mine. I stopped in at my friend's yesterday. I was in the area and stopped in to hang out with her and chat, and she asked if I wanted this bag. She had ordered it from Wish, and she just didn't find that she really liked it that much or that it worked well for her, and she asked if I wanted it, and of course I said yes because it is this beautiful green color, and I love this detail at the bottom and the tassel, and it's got the shoulder strap or the arm strap, so I'm wearing that today. And then I'm wearing my men's blazer, wool blazer, and this will be my jacket. I am headed to church. I'm actually teaching today, so I'm a little bit more comfy. And I just did my hair up.
I wrapped it in this scarf and then just kind of did a very, very messy fishtail braid type style braid at the bottom, like super messy. But I just was not feeling my hair today and I wanted it back, but I didn't just want to put it in a ponytail, so I thought I'd do something a little different, and I like how it kind of turned out. So yeah, I am heading out the door. I wanted to leave like 15 minutes ago, of course, but anyway, I'm heading out now, just grabbing my toast and jetting out the door.